Hey, this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to get verified on Roblox. So if you open up the Roblox app and you go to your avatar, you go to your profile, so you click more and then profile, you will see that I don't have the verified badge. So to know if you or someone you know is verified, basically once you tap on their profile, you will see this blue check mark on the right side of their name. And basically, if you want to know what you need to actually get verified on Roblox, there are some requirements. So you need to have at least 100k followers on any social media platform like Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, or 100k plus monthly listeners on Spotify. You must be an experienced developer, so basically an owner with playtime exceeding 1 million hours in the last 90 days, or creator of avatar items. So you or your group have at least 2 million Robux in revenue for the last 90 days with at least 200k items sold. If you fit any of these criteria, then you can qualify for a verified badge. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment.